Right, let's go to our vManage, and vManage, if you remember where we need to go to templates, and let's go to our templates, and what templates we need. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to do service VPN. So for service VPN, what templates we would we require? If we look at back a quick peek to our template flow diagram. So we have done all of this configuration. Yes, all the templates, which templates we have created. We need to create these templates. So we need to create a template for service VPN 100, right? So what templates would we need? We need first of all the VPN template, right? And in VPN template, we're going to give the like VPN ID and a few other attributes we're gonna configure, and then we need another template for interface template, right? So the third template we would require because we need to run OSPF, right? If we go back to our topology right here in this, so I'm going to configure at the moment service VPN, this one, service VPN 100. So this VPN is almost all of our sites, including the headquarter. Yes, one we need to onboard this headquarter router as well. So let's finish off this, create a service VPN here, and then we'll do all the configuration for the headquarter router. So we're doing this VPN. So VPN template, then interface template, and then routing OSPF template. Okay, let's go to our vManage, and we select we under templates. We need to select feature template, and then we need to select create template, and we are going to, okay, so it's, I think it's still not changed. Come on, load. Yeah, it's loading now. And now add template. It's a bit lagging. Now select VPN. Again, give the name for the template. So this is going to be over our for our all of the vEdges, and it's going to be VPN 100, VPN 100, and what else we can give? VPN 100 template. So description we can give all edge VPN 100 template, and then we select VPN is going to be 100. Then we can give name. Let's go, well, this is service VPN 100. Yep, that's it. I think more or less this configuration we need to do for the VPN template. And now let's do the interface template for this VPN. Now let's create interface template. Now we need to select the interface, VPN interface. Select a name. Interface G02. All edge devices G02. Right, so we need to select shutdown is global, no, and interface name we can give the name is G02. Right, so this configuration for G02, and description we can just leave it. Then next we need the static IP address, and this is going to be device specific, and you need to be a bit flaky, like if it lose the focus of mouse, then it just go away. So we need to just keep the focus of mouse on the top so that we can do edit. So it's going to be G interface GE02 IP address. Right, that's it. That's all the information is required for this. Let's save this. Right, so under area, we need to add new area. Okay, so area number is going to be 0. We need to add the interface. We know that we are going to run this on interface G0/2. So interface is going to be our G0/2. Oh, sorry, I've closed it accidentally. Right, looks like application server is lagging a bit. Let's try again. looks like I need to wait for a few minutes until it's ready. Right guys, the vManage is back. So let's try again creating our template for OSPF. All we need to do is area. Let's try again. It's new area. It's going to be area is going to be 0. We need to add interface. Let's check under the advanced options if we need to change anything. Right, that's it. Let's add, and then we need to click once more time until you see this entry here. Interface, one interface added. Yes, that's it. I think let's save now. Finally saved. Good. Let's check our template. So we have created our VPN 100 template. We should have VPN 100 template or SPF, and this is our VPN 100 template, and this is VPN integer G02 interface template. Right, now the templates are created. Now we need to actually assign this to our device. So we have already configured one device template, so all we need to go to our device template and add it. Now let's edit. Right, so in last videos, when we applied this device template, we configured basic information. All these templates we applied, and we applied all these transport configuration, but we didn't do service VPN. So let's select this service VPN because we are going to do now the service VPN configuration. And over here, we can see we can add a VPN. Let's add one VPN. Right here, you can see the template we have created for vEdge VPN 100 template. You can select that and click to add. Now click next. So we need to add interface, one VPN interface, and we need to select the VPN. So we remember which interface is. The interface was G02. So this is the interface where we're going to run the service VPN, and we need to run OSPF protocol, and we're going to select the template for service VPN. So this is what we created for for transport VPN 0. So this is we need to select. That's it. press add, and you can see over here we have the entry here for our service VPN. And now all we need to do is we need to just update. I think we have not selected our banner, though we created our banner template. Let's select the banner template too. Right, so we haven't created any policy, just leave that. Yeah, all done, I think. Let's update this. Right, so now we need to update this to all of those edges where this device template has applied. So we need to apply on vEdge 1, 2, 3, and 5. So it should have included vEdge 2 as well, but looks like vEdge 2 has lost the connectivity. That's why it's not coming up in here. Let's deploy this first, and then we'll look into. Alright, so we need to give the device details. Yes, we need to provide the, sorry, I forgot. So we need to provide the device details for the VPN interface. That's why it was not going, and we do not see any green ticks here. So let's, I think it's loading up. Right, so G02 IP address it's expecting. So what is the IP address for G02? I think that was 192.168. This is router 105. This is 3A. We need to make sure that we do the, let my lab reload just to verify. So this is 3A. We need to check the IP address for the 3A. I think it's 3A, so it should be 3A, and this interface G02 192.168.50.1/30 192.50.1/30. Let's verify. 192.168.50 3A 50.1/30. Right, yep, that's it. Update. And now let's change the second device. This is vEdge 1. vEdge 1 is GE02. This is 30 192.168.30.1 192.168.30.1/30. And now the third one. This is 5. This one. So it's going to be 60 192.168.60.1/30. Update. Now you can see all the green ticks. Now next. Click again to configure. Confirm to 3 devices. So this has been applied on our edges.